Hey guys, welcome to our concise guide on leveraging TikTok Ads Manager to effectively promote a single product. In the next 7 minutes, we'll walk you through the steps to create a successful TikTok ad campaign that grabs attention and drives results. So step 1, we need to focus on one product. Let's begin by selecting a single standout product. By concentrating your efforts, you ensure a clear and compelling message that resonates with your audience. So for me, my specific product would be pure kombucha mocktails. So step 2 is to use engaging media. Craft captivating photos and videos that showcase your product's uniqueness. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, especially in the fast-paced world of TikTok. So when we use engaging media, we may add high-quality photos here or videos that would display your product. So as for me, I have a high-quality photo of our product, which is the kombucha. Now for step 3 and 4, we need to access TikTok Ads Manager and start a new campaign. So now head over to TikTok Ads Manager and initiate a new campaign. It's your gateway to creating an impact with your chosen product. We are already here on TikTok Ads Manager and we already started our campaign. Now for step 5 and 6, let's choose website conversions and enable smart performance. Opt for website conversions objective. Make sure to use the smart performance feature. Let TikTok's algorithm optimize your campaign for maximum efficiency. So over here, let's click website conversions. Let's enable smart performance campaign. Now for step 7, let's choose a unique campaign name. So give your campaign a name that resonates with your product's essence. A unique name that sets the stage for a memorable campaign. So for my campaign name, I would put fresh kombucha mocktails. And then let's click continue. Next is step 8, install TikTok Pixel and optimize website. Install the TikTok Pixel on your website. It's your window into understanding how users interact with your ads and website. And after that, let's define our target audience. So define your target audience by specifying demographics, interests, and behaviors. Tailoring your audience ensures your ad reaches those most likely to be interested. So over here we have our location. I'm currently located in the Philippines, and then in the languages we could edit that. We could change that into English here and English only, Tagalog. I mean Filipino, or just English only. And then exclude ages under 18 if your product is not available or not suitable for minors. Now for step 10, let's set budget and daily spending. Set a campaign budget and daily spending limit. Smart budgeting ensures you're getting the most out of your investment. So over here we have our daily budget. We can set our daily budget here. As for me, I set my daily budget of 1,500 PHP. Then the start and runtime, the day parting, it's all day or in a specific time. And that's all the information you need. Next is in step 11, we need to create engaging ads. So create ad content that captures attention. Combine persuasive copy with striking visuals to tell your product story effectively. So here we can use TikTok account to deliver spark ads. So we can link our account here, our TikTok account. We can link any account that you own on TikTok, and it will use that account to promote our ads. So you can add a TikTok video here, and then it will show up there. Then you can set up your destination, the destination of your website, or in a custom page made by TikTok. Step 12, tracking. So to share the URL of the product's landing page on your website, ensure it's optimized for conversions to guide users seamlessly through their buying journey. So over here we have our impression tracking URL and then our click tagging URL. Then when you're done with that, there's also a tip where you should choose your audience sizes. So when selecting your audience size, consider around 1 to 2 million users for a well-balanced approach. So this provides ample reach without sacrificing relevance. So as for me, my available audience would be 34 million to 42 million. So it's fairly broad. So we need to make this into somewhat balanced. And then step 14, which is the last after a few days, weeks, is to regularly monitor campaign metrics through the TikTok Ads Manager. So which is over here. And there you have it. You've gained the tools to craft a successful TikTok ad campaign for a single product. By focusing on a standout product, optimizing your content, and staying vigilant with campaign monitoring, you're poised for success in the dynamic world of TikTok advertising. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on effective digital marketing strategies. Best of luck with your TikTok ad journey.